Hi boys, in this tutorial we'll look at how to sketch in Photoshop to create your stencil for your building sculpture. So at this stage you should have opened up Photoshop and we're going to create a new file, and we want to scroll to the print section, which just allows us to find normal printer page sizes. So for us, we want to be able to print these out at size A4. So we just hit create. Now the main thing that we need to use to sketch is in the left column here, and it's pretty simple. We're just using the brush tool, but we do want to change the settings. So Photoshop's amazing. You can customize your brush. We're going to change the setting at the top panel here. This is your control panel, so you can control the settings of the brush. So Photoshop can do a lot here. We're going to keep it simple, and we're going to change our brush settings. So yours will not look like this. What we want to do is customize that, or just you can select a brush or customize it. We can just select the settings here. So for us, we want the hardness to be 100%. That's going to give us a nice crisp line that we can sketch. Okay, if we have the hardness turned to 0, I'll just increase the size so you can see, but you get this kind of almost like a spray paint effect. We don't want that for our stencil, so we want it to be completely 100% hardness so that we have a nice crisp line. Okay, for us, we probably just want to work in black and white, so I'll just change the color in the color settings to be black. And then from here, it's really easy. So you just get your stylus out and you can start to sketch. Okay, I'll just undo that. My brush is pretty large. This is an A4 sheet of paper, so you want to work out the size that you're working with. It's not going to be huge, okay? But for my stencil, we were talking about how people in society in big C's, tend to sort of only care about themselves. So I've got this idea of, regality, this crown, this king's crown. I'm just going to fill in that color. We want it to be completely solid in color. It's basically just a guide for us to cut out the shapes so that we can then spray paint in here. So I'll have these circles. They're the jewels of the crown. So I've added some shapes, but I remembered that because we're spray painting these actually need to be solid objects. So go back there. Now this is the fun part where you can tidy up your initial sketch. So use a fine brush. So change your brush size to be smaller. Then you can go in and erase sections. I'm just sort of playing around with different size shapes. Trying to add something, it didn't really look that great, so changing the size of the jewels, and there you have it, happy spray painting. Now in order to save your file, we're going to File, the top, and Save As. We're going to save this as a PNG, so like a photo, or a PDF. PDFs or PNG is fine for printing. So we're going to save that into your wherever your folder is. And that is it. And then you have your stencil for printing that you can cut out and spray paint. Thanks for watching.